Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in Zoho Books. This is essential for sending professional price proposals to your customers and keeping track of your sales pipeline all in one place. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the Zoho Books website, log in using your account credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can access all the main features of Zoho Books. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Sales. This will open up the Sales menu where you can manage all your customer-facing documents. From this menu, click on Quotes to navigate to the Quotes page. This is where all your existing quotes are stored and where you'll create new ones. At the top right corner of the Quotes page, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click on it to start creating your quote. This will take you to the New Quote page where you'll fill in all the necessary details for your customer proposal. The first thing you need to do is select your customer from the Customer Name drop-down menu. You can choose from your existing customer list or add a new customer if they're not already in your system. Zoho Books will automatically generate a quote number for you, but you can modify this if you need to follow a specific numbering system for your business. Next, enter a brief description in the subject field. This helps both you and your customer quickly identify what the quote is for, something like web design services or marketing consultation package. Below that, select the date for the quote and optionally set an expiry date. Setting an expiry date creates urgency and helps manage your quote validity period. Now it's time to add the items you're quoting. Click plus Add Item to include products or services. You can select items from your existing inventory or create new ones on the fly. For each item, specify the quantity, price, and any applicable discounts. You can also add detailed descriptions to give your customer clarity on what they're paying for. Before finalizing, fill in any additional options that apply to your quote. This includes terms and conditions, tax preferences such as whether prices are tax inclusive or exclusive, assigning a salesperson to the quote, or adding customer notes that might help close the deal. Once you've completed all the details, you have two options. Click Save as Draft if you need to review or edit the quote later, or click Save and Send to immediately email the quote to your customer. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional quote in Zoho Books that you can track through your sales process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.